Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 6 February 2026, Nifty index opened on a flattish note and after an initial dip, it traded within a narrow range of 70 to 80 points for most part of the session. Momentum remained subdued as the absence of follower buying kept the index confined to a tight range. Going forward, Nifty would require constructive buying participation to inch higher towards 26,000 levels. On the daily frame, the index formed an inside bar indicating temporary consolidation after the recent move. India VIX was down by around 0.7% to 12.1 levels. Nifty put call ratio decreased to 0.81. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,800 to 26,800 marks, while a major range could be in between 25,300 to 26,300 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,693 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 924 crores. FII's index long-short ratio has now come to 18.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,500 for the next up move towards 25,800 and 26,000 levels, while support can be seen at 25,350. Bank Nifty has to hold above 60,000 for the next up move towards 60,500, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 59,500 marks. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Lupin, Jindal Steel, Tata Steel, Jubilant FoodWorks, Torrent Power, Siemens and SBI. While some weakness could be seen in HAL, Keynes, Muthoot Finance, BDL, Laurus Labs, Hudco and IRFC. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.